Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce the 4-tier stackable plastic storage bins with lids and wheels, a versatile storage solution perfect for any home, office, or dorm room. With its spacious design, easy assembly, and robust construction, this storage unit is a game changer for organizing your space. Let's dive into its features and see how it can make your life more organized and convenient. Each bin in this 4-tier storage unit measures 14.76 x 8.27 inches, offering a generous 23 QT capacity per tier and a total of 92 QT when stacked. Made from high-quality PP materials, these bins are built to last. The sturdy construction ensures long-term use, making it a reliable choice for your storage needs. Plus, the clear, translucent front doors with magnetic buckles make it easy to see and access your items while keeping everything securely in place. One of the standout features of these storage bins is their user-friendly design. They are incredibly easy to assemble without any tools. You can stack and organize them to fit your needs, whether it's for clothes, shoes, or pantry items. And when not in use, they fold down to save space, making them ideal for compact living areas or for transport in your car. The stackable design, combined with 4 rotating wheels, 2 of which have clasps for stability, allows for effortless mobility and secure placement. These storage bins are not just limited to one function, they are truly multifunctional. Use them as closet organizers, laundry room storage, bathroom cabinets, kitchen shelves, or even as a dog food storage container. They are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, making them a versatile addition to any setting. The built-in magnetic buckles on the front doors ensure they stay closed, keeping your items safe and dust-free. With this storage solution, you can transform any cluttered space into a well-organized area effortlessly. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. See you next time.